Hey everyone! In today's video I am going to show you where to find the accessibility settings on your Motorola Edge 70. If you are looking for ways to make your phone easier to use, these settings can be really helpful. Let's dive in! First, open your Settings app. It's the one with the gear icon, here. Also, you can find it in the upper menu by swiping twice, here. Scroll down a bit and you will find the accessibility option. It might be at the bottom of the settings, right here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you're in the accessibility menu. Here you will find a variety of options to help customize your device for easier use. These include things like text-to-speech, magnification gestures, color corrections, and more. And that's it. Now you know where to find the accessibility settings on your Motorola Edge 70. There are many features here to make your phone easier to use, so feel free to explore them. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or want to know more about the settings, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.